You know, the story of Isaac Newton would have been a lot different if instead of an apple that fell out of a tree, it had been a biscuit tin. Do you know why? Biscuit tins can defy gravity. No, really, watch, we'll show you in this experiment. For this experiment, you'll need a blob of plasticine and a biscuit tin. No, not like that. Nope. Wow, but no. Yeah, there we go. First, roll up the plasticine into a ball. Then, take the lid off your biscuit tin and put it on its side. Stick the ball of plasticine inside the biscuit tin, like so. Now position your biscuit tin halfway up the slope, but position the biscuit tin so the blob of plasticine is at the top. And now, leave it, and watch the magic. Yeah, there we go, point proven! Let's get an action replay. Try it yourself at home, and see how biscuit tins can defy gravity.